Learn with Janisha. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a new princess coloring and sticker book. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Pop Out Princess Garden, 3D models, coloring and stickers. It has 2 pages of colorful stickers. Wow. And 1 page of pop-out stickers. Has only 1 big page for coloring. Let's take out the pop-out stickers and make them. The pop-out stickers are ready. Castle, pony, princess and bushes.
Wow!
Now let's paste some colorful stickers. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.